So here we have a air-blown spooky ghost with pumpkin. If you didn't see my last video, go check it out. I'll link it above. Here I will be showing you what it looks like inflated. Here we have 4 pegs and tie-down strings. Let's go ahead and pull out the ghost. Now the box said store display, so I don't know if it was used in the store and then sold after Halloween, but the looking of it is they probably did use it in the store. So here we have the plug that we plug into the connecting plug, I guess, and then you plug it into the wall. Just screw this on. So this little thing is where your LED light is. This is the fan that blows up your ghost. And it feels like there's a couple sandbags inside, just to keep it weighed down. I can tell it was used because the wrapping of the cord is not wrapped up all together, which is fine. So I'm just going to untwist this. And I'm going to twist it back on because I like to have it so I don't lose it. I just keep it twisted. And it stays there for when I have to retwist it back up. So let's go ahead and move this table so I can show you how it blows up. Plug it in, and it instantly starts inflating. Here is the LED light. So I turned my lights off, and this is as dark as it gets, but it blows up pretty good and it lights up pretty good. Now there's a couple loops on each side of the ghost, so you can tie it down with those loops and pegs provided. They also have a couple on the bottom. Now below the fan there is a zipper. This helps you quickly release the air when you're done. Go ahead and unplug this spooky ghost with the pumpkin and see how quick it deflates without unzipping it. Well, now that it's deflated, let's get it back into the box. So just roll it up. Just keep in mind not to pinch the wire for the LED light, otherwise it won't work next time you set it up. So I'm just going to speed up this process. So my review of this product is, actually I really like it. I think the kids will love it next year. And for the price I paid, you can't go wrong. Check out the video, linked above, on how much I paid for this spooky ghost. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.